You see you did that.
If God was like man, him drop your right hand ground. No. Him drop your right hand ground. No, Derrick Morgan is a wicked man. If Maka decides to tell the truth, she can't tell you something like me.
But Derrick,
is either you take him off or
Calm down.
No. You see, Derrick is a disrespectful.
Derrick, calm down. The phone them where you have. Did Boss Lady buy any of those phones?
Ask him if I never give him 200 US in the airport. Ask him that.
All right, Derrick.
Move your blood, girl. I'm going to give you 2,000 US.
Here they know.
Yeah, man, get a bite stuff, pussy, girl. And the man get the money to give me.
Here they know.
All right,
so Boss Lady, did anybody give you money to give him, Boss Lady?
Listen,
and the man give me the money to fuck the man. He means to fuck the man. Mr. Cheese to fuck the man. And the man give you 200 US. You dirty girl. The man is to fuck her. You to fuck the man good.
Why is the man giving money to $200?
All right, calm down.
He's to fuck the man, Miss Blinger.
All right,
you to fuck the man.
Calm down before your blood pressure go.
You dirty girl.
Calm down, Derrick. Derrick, calm down.
You to suck the man cocky, the blood clot.
All right, calm down before your blood pressure go up.
You to suck the man cocky.
Calm down, Derrick. Derrick, listen to me.
Dirty girl. You walk and sell fuck like a dog.
All right, Derrick, listen to me. Nothing I'm going to solve by cursing. Calm down.
Fuck, girl.
Tanisha, let him calm down.
Tanisha,
let him calm down.
You're thinking pussy.
Tanisha, let him calm down. Derrick, calm down.
The girl got foreign.
All right, calm down. There.
Out of food.
Derrick.
Tell the man said no.
Calm down.
The man for the food. We can't get some pussy. I thought to go and sell pussy.
Okay, so calm down. We hear all of that. Calm down now. What I'm trying to get to is why she want to beat you up for the phone. Tanisha, take your phone from him, make him calm down now.
Sunday can't talk.
Yeah, run up in blood pressure there, so.
Exactly, girly.
All right.
I'm not saying nothing woman I know.
Boss Lady, listen to me, Boss Lady. I know say you're a big woman.
Me a big woman, me a 27.
All right, you're a big woman. Listen to me now, Boss Lady. You said that you're going to beat him up and take one of the phone. What you mean say you're going to take one of the phone?
Because the phone that he's cursing on, I gave him the 200 US to buy that phone.
Did somebody give you that 200 US to give him?
Nobody not give me no money to give him. And me give him the 200 US.
The man get the money, dirty girl. The man get the money to give me. The man give the money. Me bring a lie to you, tell. The man a lie, this a liar.
He turned to me and him say him want one new phone.
Hey, big pussy girl, I go back to now. Come here, back to shop now.
All right, me come. Make your way.
Me now. Me want to I'm shopping in your blood clot face. I'm shopping in your face, girl. I'm shopping in your blood clot face when I come over this year. I'm shopping in your blood clot face.
But that's 5 minutes for insurance shop, so make sure you reach by time I reach.
Yeah, come up there now.
Yeah, hurry up and come. Me I drive out now, yeah.
All right. Listen to me, Boss Lady. Pepper, listen to me. Which man Derrick attack say give Boss Lady the money to give him?
Ask Pepper, I'm coming and know.
All right, let me tell you who. There was this man that have the business place them in New Kingston that love of Boss Lady that Derrick think give Boss Lady the money to give it to him.
All right, so that means the truth Derrick attack say Boss Lady never give the money from her.
Miss Springer, stop this bad money now. Stop this pepper now.
Yeah. Lie till him even know.
Stop this pepper now. Pepper, go back and go on. I'm a mischief. You have to
so
is the same man. Blinger is the same man. Blinger, listen to him. Is the same man that have a big old.
Okay, so Pepper, let's say this to you then. All right, Boss Lady, listen to me, Boss Lady. You cannot take the phone because it's not your money by the phone.
You can't tell me that, Miss Blinger. Nobody money not buy the phone, Miss Blinger. Listen to what me I say.
Blinger, can I say something?
Nobody not buying a damn phone. The man was trying to help him get somewhere to live. That's what the man was doing.
But that $200 is not your money. Your money, boss lady.
I
Dirty girl, never want to wait.
The man I look. The man I look. Listen, I'm making tapping eyes. Hear him.
That's why I'm gonna get I go get affin. No, one can't stop it.
Blinger, the man I look. Blinger, the man I look. Boss lady.
Boss lady, you don't need to beat him up. You don't need to beat him up, boss lady, because that's nice.
Blinger the man I look boss. Blinger the man I look boss lady. Blinger the man I look boss lady.
Blood clot here. Kai must
me a come blood clot boss me a come.
Lord God.
I'm back boss me a come. Me a come. Blinger
the man I look boss lady. I'm Derrick forcing himself in the panny man.
Listen, Pepper, tell Miss Blinger how it go. The man like me, my literally beg
so no,
the man
me
to
tell
put
Derrick,
him up.
no, it me tell Blinger lie me
put him up somewhere to live. That's what I was begging the man for.
Boss lady, alright, boss lady, can you call the man on the phone?
No,
the man not dealing, turn all the man against me.
Me not tell the same man I look boss lady and Derrick take over man.
You not friggin' listener or what?
Me not tell him and he say I lie me I tell him man I look boss lady and Derrick take over man from boss lady and I can't be a news from
like
boss lady.
Listen, I be a news and mix up.
Derrick insert himself in a man. Me not tell say Derrick and the man they right out no Derrick take him man from boss lady.
Listen now, Pepper and boss lady. Listen to me. Me hear on one answer this one. Now listen to what me I go say to you now. Boss lady, the $200 where you give Derrick.
The man not have nothing to do with it.
So that $200 was your money?
The man not have nothing to do with the $200. At the last time me I tell you.
Alright, so did somebody else give you the $200 to give him?
Nobody not give me no money to give him. I take him to the man house and I said to the man, said this is his situation. And the man give my money. And me even beg the man for put him up. The man did I go put him up.
And Derrick take him man.
Derrick carry me name to the man based on when Maka tell him. And the man, me and the man have be an issue. I'm just cut off the man.
So boss lady, you and Derrick and a man in a man problem. And you is a woman and Derrick is a gay. How this work?
Remember make this straight. Me and nobody in a man problem because I have my man.
Mm-hmm.
The man I look me never tell us me and the man there. The man I look me and I use the opportunity to ask him to help Derrick housewise. Somewhere to live. The man rent a lot of room and all of them something there. I was fucking trying to help him. Pepper talk for Miss Blinger understand.
Me not tell him long time and he not understand.
Me I beg the man for put up Derrick for live. Me carry Derrick there. I take Derrick to the man house. Derrick look on the place. Derrick say him I go take it. And Derrick tell the man him can afford the rent. Blah 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 whatever.
Alright, Miss Blinger. Me tell you.
The man is a man. Derrick on live.
Blinger no understand. The man is a man. A boss lady did that take him money and a near me mouth.
Here you know to bumbo.
No, but the thing is, Pepper, I want to know.
Listen,
your boss lady in a man tete and tassel.
No,
the man never there. Me just did not take
man
not money.
Man not there. Boss lady and near mouth the man.
My man ear certain.
All right, me ear now.
Boss lady and the man.
Okay.
Boss lady and the man not there. The man say boss lady and rate boss lady and like him and I give him money.
What is a boss lady mate? Chobombo.
So true because boss lady have Derrick for a friend now and Derrick wants somewhere to live. So a man have one heap of place where rent. So boss lady carry the man, carry Derrick around the man for Derrick can get a little room or somewhere to live. So Derrick no do not more than insert himself now and
take with the man.
Span boss lady and take with the man wholly and solely.
So boss lady, hold on. So this a man is a try or in a both ways.
We don't know.
Him a batty man, it look like me just discover say my batty man where there. I have
Alright.
just
So
discovered,
Derrick,
Your
man.
Honor, that he is a full batty man.
And every day the man give Derrick $15,000.
Every day him give him
But
15,000.
then, boss lady, let me
So
say
Derrick
this
have
to
a
you
drip.
now. Hold on. No disrespect cause we're reason. Then boss lady, you know, say Derrick hotter than you.
No.
You wanna give Derrick 15,000 a day.
No.
What did he give you?
No. Boss lady run
no,
away,
I
man.
got more than that. But anyhow, I'm not gonna get in at that because they're screen recording. Me's a married woman now, so I can't jeopardize my relationship now for them carelessness here. But anyhow, I was getting more, but at the same time, Derrick was ready of what I told him I was getting.
See me tell you,
So Derrick
Blinger.
kicked away my foot and took over.
See me tell you, Blinger.
Because I turned to Derrick and I said to Derrick, I don't want the man. I just take him things them. And Derrick used the opportunity to care about my name to the man. So comes him and the man turn this big friend and the man start mind him.
Me tell you. See me not tell you.
Alright, so what I know, me understand.
Derrick I walk with charm.
But Pepper, if you ask me, Derrick a hot boy because no man now give me 15,000 a day.
Well, him not get it a day, him get it weekly. It's a weekly salary man put him pan.
But that no bad, boss lady.
Yeah, but to my understanding, from him come out and say my mind man, the man not give him nothing more.
He man a give him, but he man get $5,000 now.
Alright, all I know. Boss lady, please, me beg him for stop call up your pitney name. Can you leave him alone, boss lady, and just forget about everything and just left him or no?
He clap Blinger no see what go on.
I'm not trying to understand. I'm not troubling this man, Miss Blinger.
Me just say you go beat him, girl, and take him
I
phone.
said, and the reason why I said it, I want you guys to know that I'm not fucking joking. I am going to fuck him up at this present moment because the situation is getting overwhelming and it needs to stop. My baby father is a decent citizen in America.
Yes.
And for him, I call me and I say, why people are talking about him pitney and handicap? It don't look good. I don't know if you can understand from my perspective.
Yes, me understand that. And I beg him to stop
overwhelming. And I am not the type of person to bring my family on the media. So therefore, you're not going to see my pitney if you're not close to me. So for you, I come talk about my pitney and handicap, and my pitney is a fucking bright, intelligent boy. We are jump and a kick down America in a Florida and I eat 3 times a day and I shit and a piss regular. You're rude. You're fucking rude. And you need to stop.
Me understand what you say, but me I say, do you think you can just leave him alone and then him just done? Me I talk to him to tell him to stop.
I will tell you this straight up in your face. I am not going to leave him alone. You know why? A lot of persons spoke to him and said, leave the child out of it, and he has not stopped. You cannot make him stop. Nobody cannot make him stop. When I pay 2 man to go and batter him now, he has to stop.
You think that is right, boss lady?
You feel batter him.
So
you know,
when me I go
batter
through the
him.
emotional trauma of him bringing down my child, when my mother have to call me a ball and I say, why bat him and I this up our grand pitney? Do you think that is right, Miss Blinger?
It is not right. But boss lady, your mother and your baby father need to know say this on the internet and you spread your bed so boss lady, so you have to lie down in it until you can get out of it. Look on me, boss lady, when me mix up with people and when they do me, boss lady. Look how them do me when me mix up with them. Me go under fall loose and fall shit for me, girl.
You're trying than me. Me not so
I have to take one myself from underneath the fall loose, girl.
Well, guess what? Them say you have to spend your money in a life to get results. So if I saw me, I go get rid of him. I have no issue.
So when you go to prison, boss lady, when you go to prison, right, and get record, how you go feel?
No, this not have nothing to do with prison. Trust me. This not have nothing to do with prison.
Take off Bobby.
This not have nothing to do with prison, and this I got to so neat.
Take off Bobby. You look like a company.
But you already talk, say you got this thing, so anything happens to him, it will come back on you.
Yeah, and nothing now go come out of it. I can't talk this loud and clear. A lot of people are screen record now. Nothing now come out of it. Everybody in a Jamaica tired of Derrick. Una blind? Una see?
Let me tell you something. It better you lick Derrick. Don't send no man go lick Derrick. Better you lick him.
Well, me can batter him myself.
Better you batter him and the 2 hours.
myself.
Girl, you see if he come.
If I like you,
If I like you, me go for Derrick, cause he said me fi come.
And let me tell you this, Miss Blinger. You know why I'm not hurt him yet? I just because I don't want get Miss Sharon shop involved in a nothing cause she innocent. As much as she harbor him in her shop, she innocent. You understand? Cause
Boss lady go for Derrick.
him long time, but Miss Sharon shop would get involved.
Boss lady, me don't know if you understand. You're on a public platform.
Me know that.
You cannot say.
What kind of nonsense is? Me understand your baby father and your the little boy grandmother. Let me tell you this, boss lady. All of my family, including my husband, them disappointed in a way them sip on the internet with me. But guess what, boss lady? And me have to make that little change then now because me go under 4 rules.
True.
So called shit palm me pepper. So what me do after now? Boss lady, all me I say, no get yourself in no trouble over Derrick. Everybody know how Derrick steer. Just listen to me, boss lady. Leave him alone and
leave him to time. Leave him to time. Bring him tell us something, Derrick.
What?
You can't leave him alone because I want to see him in trouble.
Same way, you just tell me leave him alone. People begged me to do this last month, and I did leave him alone. Ask Pepper. I did leave him alone. I was going to fix him business.
And me tell him not to lick him.
And people beg for him, literally pay me money for not trouble him.
Me tell him not to lick him because mine ain't dead panic.
Because people
when you know something, boss lady.
I run joke when it comes to my picnic.
All right, so boss lady, you know something? You see anything happen to him?
No problem. Boss lady is one person, them don't know who is the real me.
Let me tell you something.
You know boss lady.
Let me tell you the truth. It better than cuss boy where them a cuss boy, but not lick him.
Let me tell you, boss lady is obviously hurt about something, but what I am saying,
you don't see where woman hurt about. It come like he glasses are blind.
What I am saying to boss lady is,
you know, say bring her run for the pint.
You don't understand.
I don't run for no pint. Pepper, you need, me could be honest now.
So you know, see where two people
boss lady go under 4 rules, Pepper.
Bring her, you know, see where two people are war over.
Take yourself from all of this now.
And I am saying to you, I've been avoiding him. You're not listening. You're not listening. I said to you, I've been avoiding this fucking man and him still trouble me. I'm not troubling him. Me literally not trouble him. Me not see him. Me not trouble him.
Derrick, even what your bad money not trouble him and in call bad money name. Me not trouble him and in call. Me from November. Me not
steer.
Listen, him make a one girl named Topaz cuss me off because of him.
Derrick put out a picture with me what day when me not trouble Derrick. That's why I start troubling back. Put out a picture with me.
What he put up my picture with you? Pepper, tell Miss Blinger that
Bring up me is a single woman for 2 years now, and Derrick put up picture with me. Me is a single woman 2 years now. Me not do nothing.
The Friday night. In Blinger?
What you say?
Remember the Friday night the last time with the big costume? You remember the Friday night with the big costume? And we not see him. You know the man go post me picture after that?
Okay,
right.
But what I say, Pepper, leave boss lady make sure bad time ras. You love make Derrick class people pick me and they get worried.
Let me tell you the truth, bad money. You see in class my pick me them you know. But me tell you the truth. You see me uno one boss lady
Pepper in class pick me go back go chat.
And I go pan him love. And my aunt.
Member say, look here, member say bad money, me get somebody for bad time already. People come in my inbox, Pepper me a bad time. I miss him one big female. Today in the ear just in shop and somebody come and say, Pepper, I me give him one ears as I miss him making tan.